Hi guys, I just got to the parking lot here at Pinder Surfboards. We're gonna go pick up a demo to try out. Swell's coming tomorrow, so I'm super excited to see how it works out. Okay, so you walk down this alley and you look for the checker print, and we're almost there. Alley's a little sketchy, but here's the checker print, and here we are. Hello! I'm filming just for fun.
This one's a little bit more fresh. You know
I know, this one's more pretty. So initially I'm like, oh, I think I'll go with this one, but
up to you.
I haven't
Totally.
tried
you can
it.
try both eventually, but
Yeah. Okay.
stuff like that. I usually like to ride them longer. Like I would ride like at least a 9.8 or 9.7, but they're just so
Gotcha.
smooth and they feel really good. And
Okay.
nose riding, I wouldn't say there's much difference from my So Square model, which is exactly the same board except for a pintail versus square.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, you've sold me then. I will try this one.
Yeah, I
And-
think so, because it's got like a, it's a little bit thin. I don't know what you've been riding for thickness, but this is 2 3/4.
Oh, okay.
So
It is
it's a bit thinner,
Gotcha.
but it's got a little bit of width to it at 22.5. It's not like super narrow or anything, so it's probably wider than your TNC, but I don't know what Craig mixed those boards at, but not much. The Quig.
I'm just
yeah.
gonna like
Quig's
shoot.
definitely, he wasn't super well known. Like,
Happy Thursday. I just parked over at Diamond Head. The winds are a little weird, but we're gonna go for a surf, take the Pinder out, pintail 9.3, and then see how it rides today. And hope we get some good ones. Testing the video with my new GoPro to make sure that it might be too much. crowded break, Diamond Head. But it looks like there will be some fun ones. I don't know. We'll see. I hope I don't look like a total kook out there. I can't believe tomorrow's already Friday. This week went by super fast. Yeah, it looks pretty fun. Alright, I'll see you guys out there. Okay, it looks super small. I don't know if you can tell. But we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a ton of fun. And that's all. That's it for today. No expectations. I just give you a little bottle. And shout out to Pinder for the board that we're riding today. A couple friends are gonna meet me out there. It's super tiny. I think I'm gonna leave the leash. I think, yeah. It's pretty small today. I think we can handle.
On the video. Right on. That's it. Is this your usual spot? Yeah, it is. Oh, cool. What's your name? Really, Shay. Shay, I'm Ashley. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. There's a lot of fun ones though. Like it's spread out today. Like you could be over here, over here. Yeah. I don't usually come out here, but today seemed like a good day. Yeah. Cool. Going to Almada the last couple of years. Oh, really? Yeah. It's like too aggro over there when it's there as well. A little bit. It's a lot of dudes. Yeah. You just gotta make friends with like all the uncles out there.
Yeah.
And you'll be good.
Yeah, that's like what I've been doing here. Yeah, I like, don't see that many. We're from here, but there's a lot of people I don't recognize.
Yeah. It's always like changing, I feel like here.
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. You too. How cool is that? Just when I thought my friends were out here, I got friends. Surfing with friends. So cool. That's the whole point of this whole thing, this community. Ah. Yeah, that was a small one, but fine. So there's one like not so good thing about today's session is my Apple Watch just died, so I have no way of unlocking my car. I'm kind of dreading going back, but now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do that. I have an idea, but if I should go back in and try and figure out my car stuff, because that's on my mind. I can't have like a fun session. Oh goodness. But fine, but I can't get my mind off of like trying to figure out how to unlock my car. So I think I'm gonna cut it short and head in. And figure out that stuff, which is gonna kind of suck. But I want to do that before it gets dark and sketchy. Got back into my car. That was like crazy. I'd asked a random guy for his phone, call my mom, and then try and get them to unlock my car remotely, and it was a success. But that was pretty stressful. I need to figure out what to do if my Apple Watch malfunctions or dies. I knew this day was gonna come, but I'm glad I figured out a way. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Let's pack up and go. Let's get out of here.